What kind of Nissan Titan wheel spacers are best? When it comes to the best Nissan Titan wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Nissan Titan wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your off-road adventures with peace of mind. Going off-road with Nissan Titan wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand severe impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end off-road wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Nissan Titan wheel spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both all Nissan Titan wheel spacers are safe and more reliable for off-roading. They are bolted to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub spacer wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. To ensure stable wheel connection, BONOSS both of Nissan Titan wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificates. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Nissan Titan wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be light first. This means that anodized Nissan Titan wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.